The basic question: how do you connect with Postgres database using PSQL? So using PSQL tool, how can you connect to the database? What are the parameters you have to pass while connecting to the database, Postgres database, with command line prompt? Okay, or you can also develop the admin PG admin tool. So to connect to the database using the PGSQL command line tool, you can use following commands like pgsql -h means host name, -p means port name, capital U username, and dash d small d is database name. So you have to provide the host name, port number, username, and database name. Then after providing this, you have to just pass the password. Okay, or if it is or window authentication, then user can automatically connect with the database. Okay, replace hostname with the IP addresses or hostname or the Postgres server, port with the database server port, that is default is 543 true, but you can modify that one. If you have modified in your PG config, then use that port number, username, the Postgres username, and database name, that is the user database that you want to connect. Upon executing the command, PSQL prompt a password for the specific user. Once authenticated, you can interact with the database by executing the queries, manage database objects, and perform administrative tasks. So this is the basic command line tool to connecting with that Postgres server using command line. Okay, PGSQL tool in Linux or Windows, you can also use that one. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope you like that. Thank you.